Hey, good morning, good evening, wherever you are. And this is Steve from Waiting For Breakouts. And we're going to review 6 stocks today that are absolutely blowing up. And first off the bat is GRCE, Grace Therapeutics. And they have just had a huge pop overnight on ginormous volume. So in the space of a couple of days, it has jumped over 10%, which is looking really nice on huge volumes. So you usually trade around 60,000 and 600,000 being dropped. So someone accumulating as volume increases through the weeks here. So GRCE looking very nice indeed. On to Herbalife, and Herbalife is looking very strong. We've had this big pivot point here and it continues to grind upwards. Ginormous jump just a couple of days ago. Herbalife has sprung into action here on 7 million shares traded around 20 bucks. Had a bit of a pullback today, could fall down a bit, but will no doubt respect the $17 mark and continue its rise. So keep an eye on HLF Herbalife. Xpro Group. Xpro is absolutely cranking here and has just popped on great earnings news and looks to be going higher and higher. So check out that Xpro. What else have we got? We've got NEWP, New Pacific Metals. Again, a nice breakout here after a little bit of gentle consolidation and a bit of a pullback, and big rise on big numbers here. 2.4 million dropped, and post it's gone even higher up to 550, 512. So keep an eye on NEWP, NEWP. Talk Healthcare has a big jump on earnings. TD Cohen maintaining a buy on Talkspace, raised it to $9, so that's double. So this has got a long way to go. I would keep an eye on Talkspace, a little bit of a pullback. That could be your entry there. Let's see what it does over the next few days. Very interesting indeed. And RMCOW. Let's do a quick find for that. RMCOW. It's a very nice stock, and we'll see what it's going to be doing. Ginormous. Look at the volatility. And it's carried on yesterday as well. So RMCOW still looks interesting. That could be a buy. Whoa! And it had a huge gap up and it has gone even higher overnight. So this is an interesting one. Big breakout past 22 cents. Little penny stock, always interesting. Let's keep an eye on it and see what's happening. That's a wrap for today. Nice and short and sweet, but some very interesting stocks. Do we have, I think we maybe have one more very interesting breakout that I checked out just a few seconds ago. What happened on Monday? Yeah, FBIOP. I like this one. So starting to move, long period of consolidation, starting to move upwards. This looks like a win. Let's check out FBIOP, Fortress Biotech. What's happening in the news? They don't have any news, just someone quietly and calmly consolidating and buying in lots of shares. Big buys, big buys, big buys. 200,000, 200,000. Someone's accumulating, someone knows something, and what a great time to buy in that was. I will put a little blue line in there, and we will keep watching FBIOP, Fortress Biotech. FBIOP, it looks really interesting. This is what we love, long periods of nothingness, and then suddenly someone buying, accumulating the shares. Looks really interesting. Added to the watch list. LINC, little bonus stock, is just absolutely blowing up. Check it out. I think they had maybe a missed earnings or a disastrous earnings, but it's just racing higher. Are trading higher after the company reported better than expected Q4 financial results. So there you go. Personal services, whatever that is, and it looks to be just going higher and higher and higher. So keep an eye on LINC. That's a really nice stock. Anything else that we're finding exciting under the breakouts? I think that's it for now. That's the wrap. I'm just looking personally for long periods of consolidation and then big breakouts, inevitable pullbacks, and buying in here and making lots of money. New Pacific Media also looks very interesting, just as an interesting side note. Let's check it out. Surging due to a framework agreement, so some kind of contractual agreements, and the 50-day moving average just gliding up there, and buying those dips is just such a great chance, and I really like that one as well. Let's add NEWP to the watch list because it's a really nice stock that looks to be going places. And not wild swings, just gradually heading upwards, which is what we love. So that's a wrap for today. Please like the video if you can, helps the channel. Subscribe up there and check out that video over there. That would really be great. Peace and love, and see you soon. Bye.